how to log in Trust Wallet. So if you want to log into your Trust Wallet account, then first of all open up a browser, any browser that you're comfortable with, and I'm here with Chrome browser. Simply go for the search bar and search for Trust Wallet login, and here you can simply go for the sign up, which is here. And under sign up, here you need to go for login. Simply click on that login. And now to log into your account, you need to first enter your email or your username. So I'll be entering my email. And then here you need to enter the password. So if you don't want to enter your password, or if you forgot your password, then what you can do is you can simply click on I forgot my password, so that you can receive a link or a code to reset your password. But you can also click on skip the password, email me a login link. So you can simply click on that, and then you will get a login link to your email address, so that if you tap on that login link, you will be directly logged into your account. But if you remember your password, then simply enter it and then click on login, and that's it. That's how you log into your Trust Wallet account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.